this is not our target street. That's our target street. But just kind of coincidentally, it's kind of interesting because Zimbaros goes like that, and I have filmed it before. Right now we're next to the Generations International School. We're near something called One Oasis right up there. And we got some factories. We have Galaxy Casino way in the distance, and some factories over here, and a waterfront and a yacht club over there. But anyways, we're gonna start here and just put this up on the map. And our target street is actually Schimas, which is right over there. So stay tuned, up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Not our street, but I have filmed that before. But our street is going to be going next to the Generations. It's called Schimas Street. And then yeah, One Oasis. That's actually the old 13 Hotel. It used to be red, now it's like brown, straight ahead. All of these are One Oasis, all these tall apartments behind Generations. And then basically this one is an international school, and there's two international schools in this area. There's actually Generations and then Ching Middle School. And Ching Middle School is well known for having a really good Chinese program, and Generations is international school as well. And I can't remember exactly what makes it as interesting as it is, but nonetheless, that's Generations, and then Ching is going to be right up that way. And just to give you a little context of different things, the sun is coming down, so over there is where the sun comes down, and our target street is called Schimas, and I'm gonna film that real quick. So that's our street. So as you can see, Schimas, Zimbros. So that is like, and it goes around like that, and this is our target street, Schimas. Hopefully it doesn't throw anybody off who's at the beginning watching the video. And then this is Ching Middle School right there. And then to the sides, we have a lot of factories, so you can hear the factory work. And so there's like Chinese medicine right over there. There's like pharmaceuticals. There's Ching Middle School. Okay. So yeah, this area is kind of an industrial area, but it's actually like right on the edge with this One Oasis tall, beautiful apartments, and then these really nice international schools and Chinese school. I believe that's like one of the best Chinese schools in Macau, I think. Ching Middle School, I believe. And then down straight ahead, I'll film that. I'll just capture the street sign here again. So at the end of the street right here, there's actually University of Macau, which is on the other side of the water, and then Hengqin, China is over there too. So yeah, this one's basically marked by the school. Then you can see all the triangles. I think it's like those are because kids. And then right now we're on the this right here is a trail. It goes all the way like that, and there's actually a bicycle lane right here. So you can see the bicycle lane goes all the way to the water, and it also goes into this One Oasis in here, and it goes through this other area of there's some other apartments in this area too, but this is we're here basically, Schimas. So yeah, you can see Zimbros a little bit there, and then Zimbros goes in, and we just keep going down there. Okay. Anyways, we're gonna I want to do the whole street so you can see the whole context of it. And then that kind of goes into like people can ride their bikes in this area too. So the bike trail. So yeah, so those are the bike paths in there. And then yeah, you can see that green one that goes down in those roads. And we're gonna go across the street here. And it looks like there's a parking garage at the end right here. We do have Schimas here, and Schimas here, and I believe this is the end of the street. I believe that's the end. So I think that's going to be the end. So yeah, this is basically alongside One Oasis, Generations, Ching Middle School, and then this edificio, this is don't know what that is exactly. And I believe this street just kind of goes up to that main street, but there's some mountain trails up there, and if you go down that way, it's to the ocean. Okay, so I guess we'll just end it right there. Schimas and One Oasis. So who knows, maybe someday this will all change. I kind of feel like all these factories might change into something else, and then Schimas will have a completely different look. But this is what it looks like in 2026, and it's like this way the whole 13 years I've been here. I think Generations is new, but One Oasis has been here. All right.